In today's digital era, earning money online has become more accessible and achievable, even for those with little to no experience. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through an easy-to-follow method to make money online that has proven to be effective for countless individuals worldwide. This method requires minimal setup and leverages the power of affiliate marketing, making it an ideal starting point for beginners. Understanding the affiliate program. The cornerstone of our approach is the Temu Affiliate Program. This program offers a range of incentives to attract users through your affiliate link, such as a $100 coupon bundle, 30% off discounts, free gifts, and exclusive deals. By promoting these benefits, you can drive traffic and conversions, earning commissions on purchases made through your link. Steps to get started. Sign up for the Temu Affiliate Program. Visit the Temu website and sign up for their affiliate program using the link provided in the description. Choose the $100 coupon bundle as the primary incentive for this guide. Create a simple landing page. Use a platform like ClickFunnels to create an attractive landing page that promotes the $100 coupon bundle. Customize the landing page to include a call to action that encourages visitors to enter their email to receive the coupon. Set up the affiliate link. Copy your unique Temu affiliate link from the Temu Affiliate dashboard. Paste this link into the settings of your landing page, ensuring that it directs users to Temu upon form submission. Driving traffic to your landing page. Generating traffic is crucial to the success of your affiliate marketing efforts. Here are several effective methods to attract visitors to your landing page. 1. Paid traffic through TrafficZest. TrafficZest is an invite-only platform that provides targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Here's how to use it. Create a campaign. Log in to TrafficZest and create a new campaign. Enter the campaign name and destination URL, your landing page link. Set your budget and bid per click. For example, start with $0.50 per click. Monitor and adjust. Monitor the performance of your campaign and adjust the budget or targeting settings as needed to optimize results. 2. Email marketing with Udemy. Udemy offers a marketplace for email traffic. You can purchase traffic from sellers who will send emails to their lists promoting your offer. Select a seller. Browse Udemy to find a seller with good reviews and reasonable pricing. Purchase a traffic package that fits your budget, e.g. 375 clicks for 65. Provide your link. Provide the seller with your landing page link, and they will include it in their email blast to their subscribers. 3. Influencer marketing with Shoutcart. Shoutcart allows you to buy shoutouts from social media influencers. This method can drive a large amount of traffic quickly. Choose an influencer. Browse influencers on Shoutcart based on your niche. Select an influencer with a significant following and reasonable rates. Create a promotion. Use Canva to create a visually appealing Instagram reel or story promoting your Temu offer. Purchase a shoutout package and provide the influencer with your promotional material and link. 4. Content marketing. Leverage content marketing by creating blog posts, videos, and social media content that promote your affiliate link. Blog posts. Write detailed blog posts that provide valuable information related to Temu's products and include your affiliate link. YouTube videos. Create engaging YouTube videos that explain how to use Temu's platform and the benefits of the $100 coupon bundle. Include your affiliate link in the video description and encourage viewers to click. Social media posts. Regularly post on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter about Temu's offers using eye-catching visuals and clear calls to action. Building an email list. Building an email list is essential for long-term success. Here's how to do it effectively. Capture emails. Use your landing page to capture email addresses in exchange for the $100 coupon. Send regular updates. Send regular emails to your subscribers with updates on new offers, discounts, and tips on using Temu. Nurture your list. Provide value through your emails by offering useful content, exclusive deals, and personalized recommendations. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can effectively make money online through the Temu Affiliate Program. Remember, the key to success is consistency and optimization. Continuously monitor your traffic sources, adjust your campaigns, and engage with your audience to maximize your earnings. Start today and take the first step towards financial independence through online affiliate marketing.